Hey, this is Josh Taylor with Trade Advisor Pro, and I want to thank you for checking out our video today. Now, before we get started with today's free Forex training video, I want to give you a chance to pause this video right now and go to our website. Trade Advisor Pro offers you free Forex training videos, and trade alerts. And folks, you do not want to miss our trade alerts. We send out a bunch of trade alerts every month that are top rated in the industry, where we send you our exact trades right to your inbox. Pause the video now. Go to tradeadvisorpro.com/free, and all you have to do is register and then come back to this video, and we'll be sending you a lot more goodies to help you with your Forex trading. Enjoy today's training video. So we want to now go to the daily chart and take that same data and see how it fits into this. Okay, so let me back this out. Okay, here's the trend that we're working on right now that we just drew out. You see it's the same thing. It's been working its way up. This thing is trending. You got a low to a high, higher low, higher high, higher low, kind of went sideways for a little bit, and now it's working its way back up. We had a retracement, okay? And now its prices making higher highs, higher lows, and it's working its way up, okay? So if we can get price to come right down to this trend line, which is, again, this is 31.23, but it's anywhere from 31.40 to 31.50 range, we'd be looking for a good opportunity. So I'm going to say 31. Oops. We're going to say 31.40 to 31.50. Okay, so now that I'm narrowing down, I can see a better opportunities. Now, if we bought here at 31.40 range, you know, this is 23, but it's probably not going to come all the way down here. Then I would be wanting to put my stop. Let's see here. Let's zoom in a little bit more. Okay. I'm going to be wanting to put my stop below these lows here, which is also below the trend line. Okay, so we have two layers of support. We have this layer of support, which is the trend line, which is working its way up, and these lows below the 3 level. Okay, so I would put a stop right here. All right, which let me see what this level is. It's like 29.80. So if we're buying at 31.40, we're talking 160 pips stop. It's a pretty good size. So I'm going to put stop. This is some clients are not going to be able to take this. Let's say stop on 29.80. Okay, and I'm going to look at the profit target to be about 3,400. That's a pretty good run. Take profit 1.3400, and usually what I'll do is I'll back it down to 33.80. 20 pips above. The euro and the pound love the 80 mark. A lot of times they'll come all the way to the 80 and bounce back down, and you missed your take profit, and it drops down another 100 pips. Now you got to close out you're with minus an extra 100 pips. So we don't want to do that. So now, but that's still a pretty huge stop. So those are good trades, okay? Good trading opportunities on the euro, but the stop is too big. So we need to figure out a tighter level of a stop. Now I know this is a mess. Forget it. I've got pivot points drawn out here, and it's a little bit messy. But we talked about entering at 30, 30.50, 30.40. Oh yeah, see that right there, right in that range. In fact, I'd even tighten it down even more. Let's see here. What is that right there? 30.30. Yeah, I'm definitely going to tighten it down even more. And this, now that we're down to a narrow chart, I can see more detailed. Say 31.40. Actually, this is supposed to be 30.40. Sorry about that. I'm not paying attention. 30.40. Your price can come down to the level. Let's go back to the weekly chart again. Did I mean 31? Yeah, because we have a bottom of this trend line there. Yeah, 31. Okay. And I'd probably add a second position if price came if price broke below the 30.50 mark right here, which has got a solid base level, then I'd be looking for another buy entry around 30.50. Same here, even on this chart, to really keep this trade a more long-term trade, we're going to have to keep a big stop on this trade. But the risk reward, we're talking 160 pips risk, and we're talking about 250 pip reward. Or if we get the second entry, it'd be even deeper. Now this is the best entry. If we could get price to come all the way down to 30.40, then I'd be willing to put a buy order there at 30.40. Let's see here. So I'm going to put one here. Oops. Buy 1.3040. The stop would be I'd keep a really tight stop if it came down to that level. 29.75, we'll say. 29.75. So I have 3 orders. I would be looking at 3 key levels I would be interested in buying. Now the buy opportunities are going to be more safe. The sell opportunity is going to be we should see a strong bounce off of that. We might get 50 pips, we might get 100 pips. So we will nail some, and I will end up putting probably a 60 pip stop on this one, because I know we can get 60 pips bounced off that. Historically, off that 3,500 level, this thing bounces pretty dang hard off that 3,500 level right here. I mean, price came up and bounced down. We're talking 500 pips, so we can definitely get 60 pips. So if we put a 60 pip stop and we can get a 120 pip run down, then we have a 2-to-1 reward to risk ratio on that trade. So there we go. That's it for that trade. And now let's go look at the pound dollar. Now guys, I know this is taking a long time, so I think what we're going to do is focus on analyzing a handful of these trades at once, and then I will end the video. I'm not going to look at every single currency pair that I'm looking at, because this is going to take us too long. Folks, I hope you enjoyed today's training video. If you have not done so already, stop this video now and go to tradeadvisorpro.com/free and register absolutely free for free Forex training videos, and free Forex traded alerts directly to your inbox. Go to the website right now and register for free. All kinds of goodies for you. Thanks a lot.